Hey, it's Jim from Dynatrac. We just finished this great build for this customer and we took it out for a shakedown run and everything just ran great. I just want to show you a few things about this. This customer already had a double throwdown suspension. He had the stock axles and he wanted to have the best drivetrain possible. So he came to us. This is our Hardcore Plus package. It's got our optional 72.5-inch width for great tire clearance for articulation. It's also set up with all the suspension brackets already installed. We fabricated everything accurately and professionally welded everything because a lot of customers get nervous about or concerned with housing distortion from welding and also bracket failures in the field. So we've got everything set up for them, it's ready to go. And if you have another suspension package, such as a Krawler Adventure X, a GenRide Elite, or any other suspension kit, we can set up the suspension for you, set the axles ready to bolt in, and go down the road.